Hello all, welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri, and today we are here to discuss on herbal hair rinse. Okay, so this is with simple kitchen ingredients. So this is like water which I'm taking. Okay, it is a pre-boiled water. Okay, then I'll be taking black tea, then rose petals and few curry leaves. Okay, there are two recipes, so let's start with the first one, which is basically with your home black tea. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take a cup of warm water. Okay, this is pre-boiled one which is still very warm. Okay, to this I'm going to add a spoonful of black tea. Okay, to this I'm adding few rose petals. Okay, and few curry leaves. Okay, and give it a stir. And what I'll be doing is I'll be covering it with a utensil or a cling film and keep it aside for an hour. Okay, after an hour what will happen is all the properties of these herbs and the tea will come in this liquid. Okay, and your herbal hair rinse will be ready. I always prefer to use it fresh when you make it same day itself. Okay, don't store it in the fridge and use it for the later use. So adequate 1 cup of water would be enough for your final rinse kind of thing. So what I've done here is I've taken a cup of water which is already warm. Okay, so I've heated the water and it is warm enough, and to that I'm adding I've added few rose petals and curry leaves. Okay, and we will keep it aside for an hour. After 1 hour we will take a muslin cloth or a strainer and strain it off completely. Okay, and your herbal hair rinse with a black tea is ready for use. Okay, so this is our first DIY. For the second DIY, what I'm doing is I'll be taking again a cup full of water. Okay, to that, which is still warm enough. Okay, I'm going to add few mint leaves. Okay, a spoonful of coffee powder. Okay, and lemons, the peel of lemon. Okay, so I'll be adding those lemon peels also. So this is approximate to 1 lemon ka peel. So whenever you bring lemons at home and you take a juice out of it, always keep it handy for your later usage. And chamomile flowers are optional. Okay, if you have chamomile flowers you can use it. Okay, so I have it, so I'm adding around a tablespoon of chamomile flowers. So this we will, in a similar manner how we had made our first rinse, in the same way we are going to give it a good stir and keep it aside for an hour, and then with the help of a muslin cloth you can strain it. Okay, so basically this is good to add shine to your hair. It will control hair fall, it will help balancing the sebum production on the scalp, and it will prevent your hair from thinning and premature graying also. So the second one, the coffee or the tea one, both are excellent for if you have a pre-colored hair or say your hair are graying. So this will help you to give that tone also to the color, to the hair. Okay, and after an hour we will strain it. I'll post the pictures post 1 hour on the Instagram story, and I'll show you both how they look. Okay, and the second thing is post shampoo. Okay, after you have done your hair shampoo, this will be your final step. Okay, so you can either take it in a spray bottle and spray it across your hair. Keep it like for 5 to 10 minutes. Put a cap kind of thing, shower cap or something, and let it sit for around 5 to 10 minutes. So all the properties of this herbs what we have added or this lemon slices what we have added will go to it, and then you can just rinse off your hair. So isn't it very simple? So do give it a try, and yeah, do let me know your feedbacks. So yeah, it was nice interacting with you all. And optional would be essential oil. Okay, so I prefer either lavender essential oil or rosemary. So post I strain it, I will add 3 to 4 drops of lavender essential oil or rosemary essential oil and use it for the later use. I hope you have enjoyed the session, and yeah, tune in for the next week, and I'll see you with more recipes. So today were the 2 simple DIYs for the people who are joining me late. So first one, what I did was I took a cup full of water, in which I added rose petals and curry leaves and black tea. Okay, we will keep it aside for an hour, and after that we will fill it in a bottle and use it post shower. Okay, and the second one was coffee powder. Same, in 1 cup of water we added coffee powder. Then there are lemon peels in it, chamomile flowers, and peppermint mint leaves. Okay, so same, let it sit for around an hour, and then with the help of a muslin cloth or a strainer we will strain it and use it. Okay, so yeah, do try it at home and do let me know your feedback. And tomorrow I'm having this workshop on organic creams and lotion, which is in the morning, and Tuesday I'm having a workshop on candle making. So if anybody is interested, just DM me and I'll be happy to guide you what is the procedure to book the workshop. Okay, yeah. Can we use dried mint leaves? Absolutely, you can use dried or fresh. I had fresh, so I used fresh mint leaves. Yeah, so if anybody has any questions, do let me know. I'll revert back post the video is uploaded. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you, Aruna, for joining. See you all soon. Bye.